So the first question is delta of a crop means area under the crop, crop period, depth of water required by the crop, crop production. So question पूछा गया है यूपीएससी ए 2012 में. So delta of a crop means depth of water required by the crop. That means option C is correct. So the next question is if the duty of a crop is 864 hectare per cubic and the base period is 120 days, then what is the delta of the crop? Option है that is 60 centimeter, 120 centimeter, 100 centimeter, 90 centimeter. So क्वेश्चन पूछा गया है यूपीएससी ए 2012 में. So given है ड्यूटी कितना है that is 864 हेक्टेयर पर क्यूबिक गिवन है and the base period कितना गिवन है that is 120 days गिवन है and फाइंड करना है that is डेल्टा फाइंड करना है तो डेल्टा इक्वल टू होता है that is 8.64 into b upon d. If the delta is in meter, so 8.64 into b कितना है that is 120 upon ड्यूटी कितना है that is 864. ये सॉल्व करेंगे वैल्यू आएगी that is 1.2 मीटर बट ऑप्शन है that is सेंटीमीटर में that is 120 centimeter. It means option B is correct. Next question है if the duty of the water at the outlet is known as option है that is time factor, capacity factor, outlet factor, none of the above. So question पूछा गया यूपीएससी ए 2012 में. So duty of water at the outlet is known as that is outlet factor. That means option C is correct. Next question है if the optimum depth of core watering is 15.12 centimeter and the outlet factor for the crop for 4 weeks period in the hectare per cubic is option है that is 1200, 1400, 1600 and 1800. So क्वेश्चन पूछा गया है यूपीएससी ए 2012 में. So core watering depth कितना गिवन है that is delta गिवन है that is 15.12 centimeter. That means 0.1512 meter and outlet factor for find करना है for the crop of 4 periods that 4 weeks. So that means B कितना है 4 weeks that is 28 days given है and find करना है that is outlet factor that means duty. So duty is equal to हो जाएगा that is 8.64 into B upon delta. So that means 8.64 into 28 upon delta that is 0.1512. Solve करेंगे वैल्यू आएगा that is 1600 hectare per cubic. That means option C is correct. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है ड्यूटी इज लार्जेस्ट ऑप्शन है ऑन द फील्ड्स एट द हेड ऑफ द मेन कैनाल सेम एट ऑल प्लेसेस नन ऑफ द अबव. सो क्वेश्चन पूछा गया यूपीएससी ए 2007 में. सो ड्यूटी इज लार्जेस्ट एट ड्यूटी इज लार्जेस्ट ऑन द फील्ड that is option A is correct. Next question है gram crop has a core period of 18 days and the core depth of 12 centimeter. The duty of the gram is option that is 520 hectare per cubic, 790, 960, 12, 96, that is 296. क्वेश्चन पूछा गया है एमपीपीएससी ए 2016 में. सो गिवन है बी कितना है that is 18 days given है and core depth that is delta given है that is 12 centimeter given है that is 0.12 meter. So ड्यूटी फाइंड करना है तो ड्यूटी इज इक्वल टू that is 8.64 into b कितना है that is 18 upon 0.12. सॉल्व करेंगे वैल्यू आएगी that is 1296. That means option D is correct. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है the outlet discharge for a particular crop is given by option है that is area upon outlet factor upon area, area into outlet factor. none of these क्वेश्चन पूछा है यूपीपीएससी ए 2008 में एंड बीपीएससी 2012 में. सो द आउटलेट डिस्चार्ज आपको फाइंड करना है तो क्या होता है आउटलेट डिस्चार्ज इक्वल टू होता है that is area upon that is outlet factor. That means option A is correct. So the next question is the first watering before the sowing the crop is called that is core watering, paleo, delta and none of these. So question पूछा गया है यूपीपीएससी ए 2007 में. So the first watering before the sowing the crop is called that is paleo. That is made option B is correct. Next question है the ratio between the area of a crop irrigated and the quantity of water required during the entire period of the crop is known as option that is delta, duty, base period and the crop. So क्वेश्चन पूछा गया है यूपीपीएससी ए 2007 एंड यूपीपीएससी A 2007 and 12. So the ratio of area of a crop irrigated and the quantity of water required during the entire period of the growth is known as, that is duty. That means option B is correct. Thank you.